You need to take advantage of all those little things, all those little programs that Amazon put in place for you to make more money, for you to increase your profit. And today I'm going to talk about one of the most important one. It is called the small and light products. You need to pinch every single penny you can when it comes to, you run a business. So you need to increase your margins however you can, right? The small and light program on Amazon is a great way to do it. But what is it? The small and light program is basically a program where if you enroll a product into it, Amazon is going to reduce your fees. But there are some requirements, right? The fees, when I talk about fees, is the fees that you pay to Amazon whenever you have a sale, right? The fulfillment fees, the referral fees, all those fees, right? I don't know which fees exactly. I just know that you make more money when you reduce your fees. You don't care about the rest, right? That's all that matters. You're making some more money at the end of the day because you pay less fees, right? So there are some requirements to actually enroll a product in that specific category, and the product needs to be under 3 pounds and it needs to be under a certain demand dimension. I don't remember which one exactly, but like pretty much every product that is under 3 pounds will fit into that, like will fit into the program, right? It also needs to be, the price that you're selling the product needs to be under $12, right? The buy box price needs to be under $12, $12 being the maximum price. And there's a great opportunities where there's actually like a sweet spot where if you have a product that you currently sell at between something like $12 to $14, if you actually put the price under $12 and you enroll the SKU on the small and light program, there's that sweet spot where you actually sell the product cheaper, but you're gonna make more money. Because like, since the fees are being reduced, you're gonna make more money. And there's really that sweet spot, you need to play with it. I'm gonna show you how to do it with Seller Amp right now. But yeah, like the price, since the price is gonna, like you're gonna bring the price down for that product, it's also going to increase the velocity of that product, like how fast it sells, right? So this product not only is going to sell faster, but you're going to make more money, and people are not going to understand how you can actually sell this product that cheap, right? So let's get into the computer and let's take this product as an example, right? So this product right now is selling for $12.99, and you know what, just for the sake of this example, let's just say that it sells at $12.50, because you're gonna see what I'm saying. Let's just say that right now it sells at $12.50 and you get the product for $3, right? Do not get on this product. The brand is on the listing. Yeah, it's pretty, like, it's just for the sake of the examples, just for the sake of this video, all right? Do not get on the product, do not get on that listing. You're gonna, some bad stuff is gonna happen to you, and you, worst case scenario, you're just gonna lose money. But this is just for the example, all right? I just need to say that. I don't want any of you guys to go on that listing, okay? So let's say you can actually buy this product at $3. You're gonna make $4.39, right? If you sell it at $12.50, I'm sorry, don't know why I opened it. You're gonna make like $4.39, right? So now let's say that you actually enroll the product in the small and light category, and you can do this by clicking here on Seller Amp to basically make the calculation for you. And you need to get this product at $12. So now you're making, like, you need to sell it under $12. And if you sell it at $12, now you're making $4.72. So let's just compare. We were making $4.39. So we are actually making more money by selling this product cheaper. And as I said, there's that sweet spot where, you know, it's gonna make sense. And you can, if you want to, you can source for those products specifically. I'll share, like, I don't know when I will do it, because this is something that we developed like quite recently on the, you know, on the Discord with some of the other guys. And by the way, we have a Discord server, best place to hang out with other sellers and stuff, to learn. Actually, we have some live calls. I'm always hanging out over there in the lodge, in the voice channel. So if you want to talk to me, if you want to just, network with other sellers, best place to do it. So yeah, let's keep going. So as I said, you can source specifically for those products where you can actually reduce the price and make actually, like, bring the price down on some products and make more money if you can source them for cheap enough. So you can do that with the product, keep a product finder and stuff. Great way to find leads. Yeah, maybe I'll share in some future videos. I don't know when exactly how to specifically source for those products, but this is such a great way to actually, this is something that you need to add to your playbook. All right. So how do you do this? How do you actually enroll a product in the small and light program? So what you would do is you would go to Seller Central and you will search, just go to the search bar and search for small and light, so you can open this panel right there, right? So open this page, click on quick enroll, right? And what you're gonna need to do is then you're gonna have that panel right there, and what you're gonna need to do is copy and paste the SKUs of your product right there. So you will need to actually list your product first before you are able to enroll them. All right, you need to list your product first, and then once your product is listed, just take notes of all the SKUs that you want to enroll in the small and light and the ASINs, because yes, this is the SKUs, not the ASIN, and I'm going to show you how to get the SKU, where you can find the SKU on Inventory Lab when you list the product, right? So you would just copy and paste your SKUs over there, up to 100 of them, and then you check eligibility, and then you just enroll the product that, you just click on enroll, you click on enroll, and that's it. That's all you have to do to enroll in the small and light program, right? So how to find the SKU. So here's an example we are on Inventory Lab, and you see that you have the FN SKU, which is, it's not that, you need the MSKU. And you would find that as well, on Seller Central. I cannot show you because I do not log in on Seller Central on this computer, but it's pretty easy. If you go to your inventory, if you do not use Inventory Lab, if you go to your inventory, right on the left, you're gonna see the MSKU. I'm sorry. So pretty easy to find. Just take this thing, you copy it, you paste it right there. You check the eligibility, and then you enroll it. So before you do this, make sure that you have set your price at $12. If not, it's not going to work. And set your repricer as well. When you set your repricer, set $12 at the max price. Super great way to make money. Yeah, so try to start to take advantage of that program, of the small and light program. Great program to make some, and you can make, like, if you can make volume with a product, like, you can actually make good money if the product sells fast enough, right? So super great way to make money. Try to just start, try to take advantage of it. And yeah, watch these other videos if you want to keep learning about how to sell on Amazon. Subscribe as well. Subscribe. I release a new video every single day at 3 p.m. about selling on Amazon. So always sharing stuff like that to make you better, actually, and to help you make more money. So I'll see you tomorrow. New video every single day at 3 p.m.